Hey, to get an iPhone ringtone on the Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, first of all, you will have to actually go into the Galaxy M15 5G Play Store, download this application, Zedge Wallpapers and the Ringtones, and after this, you have to click Open. Then if you have here any notifications, any permissions, just accept all of them. And now you'll actually start from this screen, so go into the Ringtones, and then in the right upper corner, you can input iPhone phrase. Then click to confirm, select ringtones, and now pick, for example, the first one. So if you are looking for this specific sound, you can just click on this, tap right here, then select to set as a ringtone. And now when you go back into the settings, as you can see, we can actually find this ringtone. So this is it for this video. Right now, please subscribe.